Alright guys, today we're going to talk about dark matter. As most of you might have heard of dark matter, as probably think it as some kind of like dark, mysterious matter. Actually, dark matter is, instead of matter, is more like a force. It's more like a force that bounds galaxies together from separating. And its opposite is the dark energy, which separates galaxies to like separates the galaxy from each other, just like why this galaxy is here and next year is moved to here. There's in a ratio that in this way, but the dark matter is like less than the dark energy. That's why the galaxies are separating. But if the dark energy is less than dark matter, the galaxies will go together and eventually crush together. And dark matter, reason why I call it matter instead of dark force or something, it has particles, it has a lot of things, it has properties such as like matter, it builds things up, it has particles, it has charges, all that. It's all this theory. But instead of standard model dark matter, particles are really just messy because it's a newborn theory and people haven't put it together like the standard model. And people put that together, just like the quantum field theory. But this is relatively new, and it's basically a really new branch of physics that we need to study more, and that's why the particles are so messy. There's so much, there's that, and also all of it is just a theory. Not like ground theory, there's a lot of theories. That's why some particles have qualities that match with others, but they do not have the name, and because it's just theory, like different worlds together, it's something just like that. So you might get it mixed up. Yeah, this is a relatively new branch of science, so if you get things mixed up, that's okay. So that's today's episode. Thank you. 今天我们来讲暗物质。暗物质大家都差不多都听了吧？暗物质就是，与其说它像一个物质，它其实更像一种力。它是把星系给拉到一起，防止它们分开。然后暗能量就是暗物质的反面，它是把星系给推开。然后之后，宇宙中的暗物质和暗能量是有种比例的，所以暗能量比暗物质要多，所以暗能量就把星系推开了，这种现在星系都是越走越开的。然后，但是如果是暗物质比暗能量要多，那星系之间就会被拉到一起，然后最终咚撞到一起。然后之后暗物质虽然更像一种力，但是它还是一种物质，因为它是由粒子，它是由物质的一些特性。然后之后，粒子暗物质的粒子呢，它是非常杂乱的。比如这块有个粒子，这是粒子 A 和粒子 B。像标准模型里边，粒子 A 就被分到了粒子 A 这个块 ，B 就分到 B 这块。它的能量就是有 A，B，B，A，A，B，A。它们就是非常杂的，为什么呢？因为比如 A， 因为它们就是很新生的一个科学，一个物理学分支，然后之后他们都是在各自理论里面 ，A 是这个理论的 ，AB 是一个理论的 ，BA 是一个理论的 ，AABA 是一个理论的，所以他们都是在不同理论里边有不同的作用，然后目前没有人试图把这些理论统一到一起，就像原来粒子很乱，比如是 J.J. Thomson 不就认为是原子是像一个葡萄跟像一个饼干一样，这是原子、质子之类的，然后电子是镶嵌在里边的。而卢瑟福认为原子是像一个行星一样，电子围着原子核转，然后这个什么很杂，但后来卢瑟福被证实了，然后之后大家把这块拿一统一，这块统一量子力学啊、粒子啊这些统一形成那个量子场论，然后这是标准模型，这是需要时间的。然后估计以后就会有人把这些理论统一到一起了。这些很短 ，OK， 谢谢大家，我们下期再见。